This week's video is about rotating your tires and air pressure, or the lack thereof. What you might not know about your vehicle is that the front tires are always going to wear out faster than the rear tires. Now, why is that, Rick? Well, because especially on front-wheel drive vehicles, you've got power and steering being applied to them all at the same time. So while your tires are spinning around, they're turning at the same time. That creates a lot of friction down here on the front tires. So what that means is that you should, about every 6,000 miles or so, you should rotate your tires. But when I say rotate your tires, a lot of people think that I mean you take the front one and you put it on this side, and you take this one, you put it over there, you take that one, you put it, I don't mean that. What I mean is that you take these two tires right here and you put them on the back, and you take those two in the back and you put them on the front. That's what we call rotating tires. One thing you might not know is that when it's cold out, like it has been, your tires lose just a little bit of pressure. Losing pressure is bad because when your tires don't have enough air in them, it's harder for them to go around in circles against the pavement. So what happens? It takes more force to move the tires around. That means you're going to be using more fuel to get your tires to move around. So get your tires back up to the proper air pressure and you will save fuel. So remember, every 6,000 miles, get your tires rotated. Put the back ones on the front and take the front ones and put them on the rear. And also, stop into any of our locations anytime and we'll check your air pressure for you. We'll get your tires filled up to the proper pressure. Thanks for watching, and remember, take it to the house.